I won't be long.
Fine stonework on that one. Built with dwarven
Let's get
skill.
in there!
We're done with this one.
Go! This outpost may be of use.
Ah, yes, that will do it.
I won't be long.
The Hall of Warriors is ready.
The building is ours now. How about some fighting? Don't follow behind. You know what to do!
We built the archery range. Built with dwarven skill. Gather some axes, dwarves. The forge works is ready.
Get ready, dwarves! Let's get going!
Stay together, axe-throwers! Stay alert now.
I won't be long. Keep up now. Go! Let's get going! Follow me! Forward! Who called for some guardians? We've got a wagon ready here. We got it covered. Go on now. Go, you beast. Go on now. Let's get in there!
Stay together, axe-throwers! The phalanx will bring some order.
Easy, girl.
Line it up! Advance! Gather some axes, dwarves!
Let's make a run. Keep it moving. We've got a wagon ready here. The house is all strapped in. Go, you beast. Yeah! Come on! What's the holdup? Go, you beast! We got it covered. Wagon's ready. Get your Let's make a run. Going. Come on! Ride! Go, you beast! Ride! Go on now. Keep it moving. Come on! The battle carriers are here! Yeah! Ride! Come on! Charge them! They'll have to catch us first! What's the holdup? It's them! The enemy! Stand tall, Felix! We can't stay here! Keep it moving! Go on now! Ride! Yeah! Tighten up, dwarves! Easy, girl! Now keep that half safe back there! What's the holdup? Go, you beast! Get your lazy hide going! Get the cart rolling! Keep it moving! Ride! Yeah, they attack! Ride. Go, you beast! Keep it moving! Come on! Right! Go on now! Keep it moving! Go on now! Get your lazy hide going! Yeah! Get your lazy hide going! We got it covered! Yeah! Come on! Keep it moving! Let's make a run! Come on! Keep it moving! Weapons more fun than I thought! We're going back! Yeah! Keep it moving! Raid! Go on now! Yeah! Raid! Keep it moving! Go on now! Positions! Yeah!
We're low on resources.
Fight proud today! Come forward, dwarves! Nothing stands taller than the might of the dwarves. I shall lead you.
The Guardians can use the siege hammers now.
Everything strapped in? Raid! Get your lazy hide going!
They're attacking!
Yeah! Go, you beast! Raid! Stand strong, my bearded friends!
I won't be lulled.
Stand tall, Felix!
Let's get in there!
Stay alert now. Fight proud today! We got it covered! Go on now! Come on! Get your lazy hide going! You'll be safe in my
Forged blades
company.
are ready!
Bandwagon! Go on now! We must
They're
protect our
bombarding
own!
us!
Keep step now! Over here! I shall lead you! Over here!
They're gonna trample us!
Nothing stands taller than the might of the dwarves. Pick up those beards!
Keep those spears ready! Some axes, dwarves! Who called for some guardians?
I'm not going down without a fight! To the death!
How about some fighting? They attack! We've expanded the archery range! Catapults!
Yes,
Ready
axes,
for war!
Axes!
Take your axes this way!
I shall lead you! We must protect our own! Pick up those beards! Nothing stands taller than the might of the dwarves. Keep step now! Ah, battle at last! You'll be safe in my company.
Catapults ready for war!
Come, dwarves!
Careful, you scuffiner! Who shall wait? Axe throwers!
I stand as your king. Fight proud today.
Get down!
Pick up those beards. Axes.
Keep moving! The flaming arrows are
You'll
ready!
be safe in my company. Keep step now. The battle is near. I can smell it.
Throwers! March! This way, dwarves! Keep moving! This way, dwarves!
Don't get it stuck. Axes.
Take your axes this way!
It'll strike fear into the heart of anyone.
Keep those axes ready!
Don't let them get close. One's coming down.
We're under attack! They quiver! Axes! Let's get in there! Stay alert now.
I stand as your king. Over here!
Steady now! Let's get those axes ready!
Form up, Felix!
Work together, dwarves!
They're attacking! Stand strong, my bearded friend!
Don't let them get close! Hold it! Move! Move it up now! Push, dwarves! Push! How about some fighting?
A battle is near! I can smell it!
Grab your weapons! Get in there! We have plenty to go around!
We're under attack! Protect your beards! They won't return after this!
Tighten up, dwarves! Here, have another ally has lost their fortress! They've taken out our ally!
Dwarves will have something to say about
Together,
this!
dwarves! Reposition! Weapons, dwarves! Weapons!
What's this? I think I'm hurt!
Axes! King Dane has fallen! Hey, they're capturing our building! Stay alert now. Now for some real fight. Who called for some guardians? Don't fall behind.
None can withstand the fury of the
They're
dwarves.
attacking our resources.
Now where'd they go?
Keep it moving. Yeah. Keep it moving. Iron Hills catapults ready for war. Rain! Yeah! Who called for some guardians? Rain! Yeah!
The battle has brought me back.
Everything's strapped in? Here they are!
Cavalry charge!
Rain!
Sheriffs!
Now where'd they go?
They attack! They're not going anywhere!
The phalanx will bring some order.
Keep those spears ready!
They won't get through us!
Iron Hills catapult ready for war! Get ready, dwarves! We've expanded the forge works! Grab your weapons!
Stand tall, Felix!
Dwarves! Grab your weapons! Get ready, dwarves!
Pick up your bows, men!
To your places!
Ready, men?
Grab your weapons! We're finished with the mithril mails! Let's get in there! Weapons, dwarves! Weapons! Protect the mine shaft! Keep those axes ready! Stay alert now! They're calling us back, lads!
Bring your axes home! Get moving! Nothing stands taller than the might of
We
the
shall
dwarves.
wait. Be gentle now.
Have an arrow ready.
My heart thrusts
Grab
for
your
battle.
weapons! Get ready, dwarves! Careful, dwarves!
Positions.
The enemy's here!
Stand strong, my bearded
The
friends!
flaming boulders are ready!
Let them come. They won't take me!
How's that? This way, dwarves!
The battle is near. I can smell it.
Keep those axes ready. Who called for some guardians?
Stand strong, my bearded friends.
Form up,
Let's
Felix!
get in there! We must protect our own. Pick up those beards.
Dwarves!
Nothing stands taller than the might of the dwarves.
The Felix will bring some order.
Go forth! Stand strong, my bearded friends! Over here! Come on now!
Take care of it now.
I stand as your king!
Take your time now. Move it this way.
Fight proud today!
He'll strike fear into the heart of anyone. Not built very well, is it?
Protect your beards! The dwarves will have something to say about this.
Don't let them get close. Hold it. Move!
The battle is near. I can smell it.
Thin their ranks! Ruin the place! Hold your fire! Pull away, man! Let's go!
I won't be long.
I stand as your king.
How about some fighting? Reload!
You'll be safe in my company.
How's that? Get ready, dwarves! Another volley! Come on, dwarves! We'll rip it apart!
Hold them in check!
Let your beards flow!
Remove their heads. Make way!
You shall find that my size matters not.
They quiver! They're attacking!
Volley!
What are we waiting for? Fight proud today.
I stand ready.
Don't let them get close! That one's coming
Nothing
down.
stands taller than the might of the dwarves. You'll be safe in my company. Pick up those beards. We must protect our own.
That will teach them to anger the dwarves. An enemy has been defeated! Move it over.
Fight proud today. You'll be safe in my company. I shall lead you
To your places!
The dwarves will have something to say about this. We must protect our own. The dwarves will have something to say about this. Pick up those beards. I shall lead you.
Fine stonework on that. Built with dwarven skill. We're done with this one. Fine stonework on that one.
Battle-wagon! Get your lazy hide going! Go, you beast! Come on! Yeah! Get your lazy hide going!
Ah, yes, that will do it.
Stand strong, my bearded
Line
friends!
it up! Be ready, archers!
The house is all strapped in! Fight proud today!
Who needs a face full of head?
Have an arrow ready. Move it!
You shall find my size matters not.
Stand strong, my bearded friends! Come, dwarves! Come on now!
Come together!
Keep those ropes tight.
May be of
You'll be safe in my company.
Be gentle now.
They've built
Let's
up
see
here
what it's
already.
made of. Nothing stands taller than the might of the dwarves. I've been waiting for this. I shall lead you straight for
Hurry,
this
Iron.
position.
We can't see where it's coming from!
The dwarves will have something to say about this.
That's the enemy!
Reload! The battle is near. I can smell it. I stand as your king. Make room for the dwarves.
Let's see if they're ready for this.
The battle is near. I can smell it.
Careful! You're scuffing now.
Fight proud today.
Weapons, dwarves! Weapons!
We must protect our own.
Ha ha! How's that? Not built very well, is it?
That's it. Ha ha! You'll be safe in my company. Stand strong, my bearded friends.
They are no match for the dwarves!
Fight proud today.
Defeated one of our enemies!
Axes! You'll be safe in my company.
What do you want? We're ready here! Go!
It'll strike fear into the heart of anyone.
We're done with this one. We have the building!
How about some heads to bust?
Fine!
Nothing stands taller than the might of the dwarves.
That's right, it's dwarven quality.
To arms! We found the enemy's
Dwarves will
camp!
have something to say about this.
Archers! Steady your bows! Hold your fire! Go after them! See them? Stay with me. Let's go!
Reload! Fight proud today! The dwarves will have something to say about this. You'll be safe in my company. Stand tall, Felix!
Keep those axes ready!
Stand strong, my bearded friend.
Here, ladders!
To your places!
Be ready, archers!
Form up, Felix!
The building is ours now!
Archers of Dale!
I stand as your
so
king.
hard,
Positions!
friends feel it!
How about some fighting?
Don't let them get close.
We'll make short work of this. Battle is near. I can smell it. down, my bearded friends!
Quiver! Reload!
The dwarves will have something to say about this. We must protect our own.
Ha ha! How's that?
You'll be safe in my company. Rip it down!
A heart thirsts for battle.
Don't let them get close!
This one's in our way.
Watch it!
She's a delicate one.
We must protect our own. I shall lead you. Pick up those beards.
Reload! That one's coming down.
That will teach them to anger the dwarves. An enemy has been defeated.
It'll strike fear into the heart of anyone.
What are we waiting for?
We're done with this one. They're just...
We're ready here! Knock it down!
Work together, bombardment! Right position!
They attack!
Hold it! Not very well, is it? Stand up to this!
How tedious.
That one's We'll make short work of this!
Do not send elves into the fray without purpose. They are not disposed of.
Don't let them get close! It won't stand up to this! Hold it! Move! It will crumble! Not built very well, is it?
Their fortress crumbles like dry leaves. Ha ha! We've defeated...